So, if you remember last year, this is the queen we produced. So she is now, as you can see, I mean, this is the first time I've actually looked at her this year. It's a full colony. She's done ever so well. And they're even building brace comb as well, so they do want to go up a level. So we will probably put a super on. I'm going to go and have a quick check, see what's going on, and we'll go from there. So we might start this side. I'm having to do this quite awkwardly because the camera's in the way, but we will get there. So I've put in a lot of blanks, so they have filled 10 frames. I know they're not drawn, but to have bees on the outer frames is a very good sign. So this one I will leave out. You can see they are building. There she is. Wow. Stunning queen. So we will put that back very gently. She's doing very well. So we'll leave that there. That means we can actually have a proper look this side. Look at that, all capped. That's all capped brood. Both sides. And there's drones. Right, so being April, we've got drones here. You can see the male bees. So this is a sign of swarming. So they are getting ready. You can see here as well, there's more, because they're a larger cell than the worker bee. So they're 24 days to hatch. I am having to lean over quite a bit. Again, just check to see, there's eggs in there as well. I don't think you'll be able to see them. I don't want to blow any bees out the way. It's all healthy. There's some drones. Right there. You can see they're fatter. Again, brood. There's no queen cells yet, which is a really good sign, because normally when there's this many drones and they're quite a full hive, they like to think about swarming. And that's what we're looking for now. Again, another full frame of brood and eggs. We've got honey in there as well, we've got pollen. to do this left-handed. Quite tricky. Again, another full frame. This queen is incredible. We've got honey stores at the top there. So these would definitely need to be super. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, we've got eggs. Frame of eggs. And very young larvae. And nurse bees. You can see they're quite fluffy. More brood. And stores, which is good. Brood and stores again. Every frame has brood. And there's pollen. Look how yellow the comb is. Their own creation. You can see there's honey all over. Take a bit of this off. Queen excluder. And then the super. So this will give them more room, and that's their honey stores. So now they'll slowly start to make their way up into the super, and then they'll start filling it with honey. And for those who don't know, the queen excluder obviously is a queen excluder. It stops the queen because she's fatter. She can't get through the bars, and only the worker bees can get through. So she can't lay eggs in the supers. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.